Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another hangout with me. I've been getting up before 6 in the morning today and yesterday, so I've been having a lot of early mornings lately, and I've been keeping really busy shipping out a lot of plant orders. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, whether you're watching or purchasing plants. I appreciate all of you. In today's video, I have about 45 minutes until I have to teach a client on FaceTime, and I finally got a hold of sandpaper from my local hardware store that I picked up the other day. The weather is perfect and I finally feel motivated to sand these plant stands down that I got in a recent haul from my subscriber, and my goal is to sand it and spray it white, and hopefully this is enough paint. If not, I'll have to go out and get more. This is just whatever I had in my potting bench. Spray them all white, let them dry, and then incorporate them either in the front of my home. I don't think I have enough space in the patio unless I bring other plant stands out and style them here. But regardless, it's going to be somewhere outside of my home, in the patio or in the front of my home with more plant babies. So I hope you guys enjoy this hangout with me. Let's get started. I have my pack here. I just took out one and I'm just gonna do what I do, and hopefully I'm able to get this done in a decent amount of time. In your face. Come here. Come sit here by mommy. Come. Come here. Come up here. Come sit here. Come here. Come, baby. Come here. You don't want to sit by your mom? Baby, come, mama. Come here. Come. Come sit here. Come here. Oh, it's like to sit on this one. Come sit here, honey. Yeah, you like the ottoman better. Okay. Relax and you help mama, okay? She's so cute. That's good. too heavy-handed with this medium sandpaper. Get damaged by the rain anyway. I think I have Thompson's water seal. I'll get that after. Where are you going, honey? Hey, come sit by your mama. Good enough, I think. Okay guys, I think this is going to be the most work I'm going to put into it. It's going to stay outside anyway. The weather's going to get to it. Let's see. Good enough. Good enough. What do you guys think? Abby not interested. She went back in the house. Okay, let me dust these off and hopefully I have enough paint. I'm just gonna hit these spots and I'm not gonna worry too much about the underneath because nobody's gonna see that. So let's dust these off and then transition into painting. I need to put something underneath it too so I don't get the ground painted. I have it up on recyclable cardboard boxes, which I'll throw away after this. Okay, hopefully I have enough. I have it on upcycled cardboard boxes, which I'll throw out after this project. So let's see if I have enough. I'm gonna focus on the outside first, and if I run out I can always finish up the project later. can for what little spray I have. Out, but good enough for me for now. I got one more spray in it, so let's get the tops. I think that is it, my friends. That is it. Alright, you guys, well, as you see, I ran out of paint. If we weren't on lockdown, then I would just go run to my local hardware store and pick up more. And I also have 2 more full cans of Thompson water seal. So for now, this is good enough for me. I'm gonna let it dry. I'll place plants on it, and if and when I go back out again and I'm passing my hardware store, I'll run in and get another can of paint and I'll go over it all over again. Right now, I'm not gonna be picky. I don't want to go to the store if I don't have to. But if I have to go to the hardware store anytime soon for something else, then I'll make sure I pick up another can and then go over it all over again, and then I'll hit all of these surfaces. But I'm not picky about that anyway because they're gonna be hidden with plants on it. And then I have 2 cans of the Thompson water seal, so that's when I'll go ahead and spray it over. But you know what, for now this works for me, and it has the kind of that charming vibe to it anyway. So that is going to wrap up today's hangout with me. I just wanted to show you the process of what I do with things that come through my home, and I've done this with my wicker chair that's in front of my home. I've done this with my Tiffany blue table. I love getting upcycled things coming through my collection that are not brand new, and then just doing a DIY like this and spraying it to my aesthetic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you are also doing DIY projects while we are staying home. I'm gonna let this air dry, and then we'll see where I put it in the collection to style plants. I just want to give a big shout out to my subscriber Jill for gifting me these plant stands that she didn't want anymore. I'm looking forward to incorporating this in my space, and whenever I go to my local hardware store again, I'll go ahead and respray this again to get one more nice coat on it and then seal it with the Thompson's water seal. And I always have this in my potting bench because this is definitely something I need, especially with all of my things outside in my patio in the front of my home. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads between the main channel Monday to Thursday, the vlog channel Friday through Sunday. You get a video each and every day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye. Okay, everybody that I sent photos to of the plant stand today said it's good to go. Like, I don't have to buy another can of paint, so I'm going in with the Thompson water seal. Let it dry overnight, and we'll just use it. Okay, good enough.